Hey, Lindsay. Are you eating a Wiener Schnitzel salad?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. These people hate me when I film them. Look at this. No, it's not. I just can I take a picture with you guys? The ice cream is boo, this really has a clear picture. Don't worry, I don't know how to actually use it.
Sure. You just stand like just looking through it when you just look at it?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure, because I could take a picture, but I wouldn't take a picture.